Hello dear students, welcome to Axiomaticos. This video is the part of the solution series for IIT JAM 2020. So we are here with this problem 49 of your paper. It's a numerical answer type problem. So have a look. Consider the real vector space. So we have a real vector space P 2020 which is given like this: summation ai xi I is equal to 0 to n, where n is in between 0 to 2020. So what is the meaning of all of this? It means that it consists of polynomials of degree up to 2020. Are you getting my point? So it means that P of 2020 represents all the polynomials having degree less than or equal to 2020. Let W be the subspace of this vector space given by the same thing, but the problem is that ai will be 0 this time for all odd I. Then the dimension of W is. So it's a very easy question from linear algebra. What we have to do, we have to find out dimension. All right. So now let us proceed. So I will just define dimension for a subspace. All right. So dimension of a subspace W is given by number of free variable inside it. Free variable inside it. All right. So this is a basic definition. So I will tell you what is the meaning of free variable. All right. So see, in case of P of 2020, all right, if a polynomial, let us say if a polynomial belongs to this P of 2020, then it will be of this form: Px is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and up to a 2020 dot x to the power 2020. Are you getting my point? So from this definition, where, all right, I should write where ai belongs to R for all I belonging to which set? 0, 1, 2 up to 2020. Now see, these a0, a1 up to a 2020, these are real numbers and they are freely available to us. We can take any of them. So let us say if you want to pick a0 as 1, but I want to pick a0 as 2 and someone else want to take a0 as 3. That means this variable is a free variable. The similar thing happens with every variable which is written over here. So according to you, what will be the dimension of P of 2000? Dimension of P of 2020 will be what? It will be according to the definition. All right, it doesn't matter that I have written W over here. You can take any vector space. So dimension of a vector space is dependent upon the number of free variable inside it. So in this case, how many free variable do you have? You have 2021 free variable. The same thing we have to count for odd one also. Are you getting my point or not? All right. So in case of if a polynomial belongs to W, then what will happen? This will happen that Px will be of this type: a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube and up to a 2020 x to the power 2020. So this will be the polynomial, but in this case, in the previous case, we have ai belongs to R, but in this case, we don't have such thing. We will say that a odd is equal to 0. This is given to you. And a even, I will write, belongs to real number. All right. That means in this case, a1 is not a free variable. You cannot pick any a1 from real numbers. You have to pick it as 0. That means a1, a3 are not free variables. So this time what you have to calculate, you have to calculate a0, you have to calculate A2, then you have to calculate A4, and of course then you have to calculate A2000 and all the even numbers in between them. So that means what actually you have to calculate, if you have this list of numbers with you, what you have to calculate is how many even numbers are inside of it. This is what you have to calculate. All right, so see this thing from here, that how many even number, let us consider, not let us consider, if you will count it up, how many even numbers are inside of it, what you will do, you will just add. All right, this is your number. So what I will do, let us separate this thing out. 0, let us take 0 out of it. 0 is also a even number, we know that. All right, but let us keep this thing aside for a while. Then what we'll have, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to 2020. So how many even numbers are there? You have 2020 by 2 even numbers. All right, now it is equal to 1010 even number, but because you have 0 also here, 0 means I am talking about A0, 2 means I am talking about A2, 4 means I am talking about A4, 2020 means I am talking about A2020. So what you have to do, you have to add 1 to it in order to get total number of even. So finally what we will get, that free variable which is equal to A even, all right, number of A even which is equal to 1011. So this will be your answer for this question. So it is very easy question. If you understand the meaning of free variable, everybody can do it. All right, so let me mark my answer. It is 1011. All right, so thank you.